Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful. How to make a direct deposit into someone else's bank account online in 2025. With the rise of digital banking, sending money has never been easier or more secure, whether you're helping a friend with rent, splitting bills, or handling business transactions. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, straightforward way. First things first, you need the recipient's bank details. That includes their account number, routing number, and possibly their bank's name. Always double-check this info to avoid any mix-ups. Nothing worse than sending money to the wrong place. Once you're set, log into your online banking platform or app. Most major banks like Chase, Bank of America, or even services like Zelle and PayPal have updated their interfaces for 2025, making transfers seamless. Step 1. Navigate to the Transfers or Payments section in your account dashboard. Look for options like Wire Transfer or ACH Deposit. Select the one that allows external deposits. Next, enter the recipient's details carefully, input the account number, routing number, and the amount you want to send. Don't forget to add a memo or reference if needed, like gift for birthday. Before you hit confirm, review everything. In 2025, many banks now include extra security features, such as two-factor authentication or biometric verification, so take advantage of those to protect your funds. Once you're good, authorize the transaction. Processing times vary, but most online deposits hit the recipient's account within 1 to 3 business days. A few quick tips. Watch out for any fees. Some banks charge for external transfers, so check beforehand. Also, ensure you're on a secure network to prevent hacking. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it, folks. Making a direct deposit online is a breeze once you know the ropes. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.